when me attack it truth, it's like, you don't want nobody if you know say me and you know there. Bro, me fix my fucking mouth. Yeah, you don't want nobody know say me and you there when me did have rotten teeth in my mouth. That hide me. Now me fix my fucking teeth. You still hide me, yo. You know.
Guys, I'm telling you this, guys. I said she have what I teeth in crack. Me and her deal. I see. She a dance and she lose. She make her next girl. She a flicker or something and she makes the next girl jump on her and I don't know what she do. She lick her teeth and she lose too, guys. You see? Me a deal all long. You see me? She have a couple of friends who are dance with her. She have a couple of dancers friends who are dance with her. Like me off. Big time want me. Want they around me. Want to come around me. And then think they bear. And she's a woman like this. She miserable and she just bad. She want to fight. She want to do everything. So she have a fight over Dragga. I choose she need to get attention from me. I'm not showing attention, guys. I'm a lower her. Make sure I do her own thing. And then thing there. So she want attention from me. I'm not showing attention, guys. You see it? But I'm not showing attention. So she know. She tell me say everything done. And she gone over and dip on TikTok. She find Dragga. And a ball over Dragga. And thing there. And mix up on them thing there, guys. Come on, guys. Big man everything. Then people are nobody. But I disrespect them and nobody. But they're all about the fame. This girl wants something in her life. You see me? She wants something. You're not going to call she wants something.
No, leave me alone, bad man, and stop bashing you.
Yeah, she can dance. She can dance, you know. She can dance and fuck. Big man level, like how you said, bro, God. She can dance. She bad. She nice. She's a nice girl. You see me? Bro, you see people on TikTok, bro. I don't need to generate. I don't need to disrespect them. I don't need to class them. I don't need none of that, bro. I don't need none of that. I don't need to style them or anything. I don't need none of that. The girl is a nice girl. You see, all of the people in the world cannot read. And read is standard. Big work. You want to know how they reach it. So why you make them use it in first? Why?
I never know what the fuck was going on. That's why I can't talk about life because the people are screen record and ready for that.
I'm trying to say screen record, bro. Make them screen record, bro. You need to talk your mind, bro. Stop making them hold it back. You see it? Stop making them hold it back, TT. Stop making hold it back, TT. It's all about the fame on TikTok. All about the money, all about the money on TikTok. You see it? You see TT? They don't want to friend you, brother. They just try to use you in person. You see it? All they see, Annie, everywhere you go. Live. I said, what is? She could wash her face first. You see it? And if you just fix her hose, buy some couple black, buy
Thank you for the rose, baby.
black.
I appreciate it.
Start out her life.
Oh, thank you.
Guys, me no busy if you don't want
Yeah,
taps or anything, you know, me no
thank you,
busy,
baby.
so me no busy if you don't want send me no, you know, or anything, you know. Send everything to she, bro. She want it more than me. She's a nice girl, guys.
I
God
do
know
this
me not doing
emotional.
that. She's a nice girl, me not
Hello,
doing that for
I
you.
whosoever
It's
this
not
is,
all
can you
about
please not come over
money
here with
and
it?
TikTok and
Or else
everything.
I'm going to block you from my life.
I say it, guys, it's a hard working youth. Me no come on TikTok like that. You might be post and like a dancing. Most people always I say watching when they come up and dance and anything. They more prefer just easier for dancing and anything there. You see, more me come. Me not tell a lie. More me come on the. Me not tell a lie. Big man level guys. Guys. Ah boy. Boy, I meant to. Boy. Yo. Juma youth.
And what's your name? Yeah, I mean, I'm an ex-man the pan live. What is it? Alright, yeah, we can't take this stupidness. Let me first, never do this. I'm not care about my name.
Guys, watch some man. Is that all about the fame? Let me think, man, guys. Is it? Well, add Jaden over here, sir. Add Jaden.
No,
Why?
God bless us, so.
No, man. Add Jaden. No. Guys, I'm tell Jaden to come over here, sir.
You hear me say? Man, you could mind him with me. That's why you can't, you want to be a bad man.
I tell someone want to take some certain things. I mean, I talk certain things, but reading the comment, piece by piece. I'm gonna add Jaden over here, sir, please. But me not have a
This
number.
one. If you have them something better like you this one, now come off. You better have my number, guys. You have my number and I pretend. I jump through. You come like Taji, them are this one me. You
Oi,
start
oi,
this one, me I come talk when I have my number. I fuck with this.
me must say me
Ex and a
ex.
fucking ex. If I have my number, why make you never wipe my number to your phone from scratch?
How
You have
long?
my number.
Me?
You have my number, John Crow. I not kill up myself and later, but I come off of it. You just, yeah, this one with too much now for a night. Can't make it.
Blah, 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 blah.
What?
Yo. TT. Come play double match. Okay, I get money
Nah,
for play
play not
double
with your
match.
shit up. Bye.
Oh, we can play
Yeah,
double match.
nah, play on
Come play double match. Huh?
left no.
Let's see if we can get somebody else to play. Wait, wait. See if we can get
You don't
somebody
make
else.
enough money.
We not talk about no money, brother. I'm not try to style or anything. I'm all about the riches, bro. All about.
Then why you not come off and come get your bed? You not fall.
Rina Fale?
Yeah.
Where they? Eh? Where they?
Yeah, but, yeah, this one then I'm not there now. Let me go and bed. That upset my spirit.
Jesus Christ, I mix up my can't take I know. Guys, I don't know that man try to run from. God no, that man try to run from me, guys. You can't take mix up and blend there, no. Who love mix up? Me love mix up?
Yeah, I got used to me have people by my life I cuss honey.
No, me not love mix up, but watching out, me hear mix up on life and day one, brother. And some people I know nobody. You see, TT good man, TT up and running. I want me call up people name, me not afraid of nobody, no boy, no girl, no
Tata,
time.
you know, say hard for deal with your state. I don't think it's the man more than me, you know. I have my reason why I say that. I say that. You're supposed to understand why I say that.
Kawa, the man come to you and you say, shush, 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 shush.
Them people, yeah, so, when you say yeah, so, then we go tell Annie say, me have people Bashar or me a class and talk bad things
Brother,
about her.
amount of, listen to me.
Teeth you love,
Yeah, listen to me.
teeth
TT,
you
yeah,
love
listen to me.
man. I
TT,
can't
yeah,
do it
listen
like
to me.
that.
TT, yeah, listen to me. Amount of people, they put on the name and then stuff to hate. Oh, TT,
Mm. Why you do that? You
brother.
that up the Ushi, why you do that?
She shouldn't check in, man. She just her.
Yes, me I run from problem, me decide people in a box, me I come off.
Hey, what?
Bro, me I jump off.
Take her down there. Really like mix up, mix up.
Not add nobody, make you stay right which part of it. Sometimes when I talk if you hear.
No, me no love mix up.
My girl, man, I got add you. Don't stop saying, boy, add me. Don't add nobody, yo. If you not type, on type in a comment section.
Fucking British, you are going British? British, where there? Shubot na man. Yeah, bro.
Hi,
Yeah.
British.
Yes, sis, me good man.
I love class. I didn't know. How are you, the girl? Oh, me forget to yeah, and Brittany gonna work.
She said she reach home, she tired.
Both of us, cause we don't made a tear from my body. Me gotta reach home safe. Tata, more you bash Tata for me, can have the people them over here tell him things and me at time to avoid the people them in the comment section in our ear.
Yo, how name Big C?
No, no.
Guys, how name Big C?
Oh, me not union big C. Our,
How name Big C?
nah, I don't know.
No, no, me say big. How that big
Our,
S?
jeez, good night. Good night, baby. Jesus, lovely Father. Only not do it. She was, hey, only come off.
Bumbo Clat, Jaden Hicks. Bumbo Clat. Alright. Big up Jaden.
Just record. Oh Lord, help me.
What's
Thank
a
you for
Jaden
this.
Agwan? I said Jaden Agwan. Oh, Clat.
Let us stop listening to me. Gladiators are screen record out now. So you can know who I call who for name over here. And who are this who. And who are tell him man things. He man disrespect the people. And kind of don't fucking hear.
Yo,
And
we
the
love
one of
it.
them come like you afraid. For when the drunk of them.
But them I say TT, you call it any name.
How the fuck me I call up then? When? Who not hear me come here? Shut your
Yeah,
goddamn mouth.
they say you're a friend with them.
And so what? Me play a game with them on TikTok. I just don't want nobody get my ex involved in all of this stupidness. Not too fucking mix up flag. Yes, yeah. Much of it, Mr. Tomorrow, man, if I go live. You got yes, yeah. Girl and the ex go live, can clarify, say, him and the baby father. And much of it, me.
Who for baby father? Who
Yes,
your
so
baby
yeah, them
father?
I go tell. That them I
No,
go
no,
talk.
no, 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 no,
Me I tell
no,
you.
no, 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 do that.
I that them I do tomorrow, me I tell you. That is
Oi,
everything.
oi, oi. Me a married man. Me a married.
They no business. They still a go for they go talk. I think them business, they don't give a shit. Them a people don't give a mother shit. When them gone over and the
Yo,
life gonna rub you
yo,
out.
big man level stay, guys. I saw no like mix up
Chop
on
us.
TikTok. Me never know so I saw no like Me never know so I saw no like mix up on TikTok and I God no.
Say,
TikTok and I
when
mind
them go
thinking.
over Chabas and Jaden life tomorrow, gonna rub you out. Gonna rub you out tomorrow. Watch.
Yo, watching a TT, cap car people, blood clan in pan TikTok, no man.
Janka
Alright, with them,
never you
man.
did a cuss them not too
Watching
long.
the man, watching the man. Top car people, blood clan in pan TikTok, no man. I want to tell you, brother.
Love one.
Yo, watching the man. Top car people name pan TikTok, brother.
And me did I do it or you? As me
Top
and you go
car people.
live, you start
Listen
charging
to
me.
me. Listen to me. You see, you watching, you hear me TikTok. You hear me TT. You see,
No.
TikTok. I'm tell you one thing. I'm tell you one thing, TT. You see, TikTok, some of them are hold on. Some of them fight against one another. Some of them, some of them just a fight and they don't know what to do. They want to mix up. They want to call this a smart name. Should they want hype? Should they want the fame? Should they want the money? On TikTok, brother. TikTok is not just a TikTok, brother. But most people, brother, they know what's on. If somebody get on the top like so, see them? If somebody get on the top like this. They are telling you, see tomorrow, they might call them Spanish name, but dry him done, said this, said that, said this, said that. If you dry him done and so. Yeah, tell you. Yeah, tell you, brother. I'm not that type of guy to mix up and then think about some man if you come down, brother. Come down. Some people not ready for the on TikTok, brother. You see, when they on TikTok, when you're on TikTok, guys, you're supposed to look pleasant and look good. No matter of a yasso, no matter of a day yasso, a yasso, our ear lean so, our head want trim up, or something. Me no business boy nothing. But it's one thing with TikTok fuck up, mix up and blind up on TikTok. It's one thing me not no fame, brother. You see, I not no fame. Everybody can go in my inbox. I go up on my thing I know who is Tata. We no fuck around with people. One thing with the flavor team, we no fuck around with people. You see, if I look up this flavor team, we no fuck around people. We no. Yo, brother. TT, tell the people then say we no flavor team and a drama thing, nah, man. All about dancing. And all about fame. We not all about the fame, but you know, we just all about love, caring, and out in the street. You see, right now, all about most of the dancer them out there. So we come half a street here and say, yo, what you know, come in a place. Most dancers say, what you know, dog, where you most so, where you come from. I'm telling you, I set me where I come from. Most of them, brother, just want to connect with me, brother. And me, I say, what you know, easy on myself, brother. I want team, flavor, to the end. You know, straight up with there. I say, people, if you don't want to connect, brother, I just look up for the flavor them. I say, Tata my name, Tata flavor, and most of the flavor them out there. If it's, you see, unruly, I will fully bad. But the dancing thing we just easy, because we know how to have it. I will fully bad with it. You see, oh, Titi,
Hmm?
Titi.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, tell you, come like a big mix up over there, Titi.
I tell you,
Boy,
you're not
man, tell
listening.
you. Yeah, man, I mix up, man.
You can come off live now and get your bed, please.
Alright, no sorry. I'm on it.
Mm-hmm.